Welcome to Randy D. Locks Hair Channel. This is your ultimate destination for all things hair, with a special focus on breathtaking dreadlock styles and other creative hairstyles. Whether you are here to explore innovative techniques or find inspiration for your next look, you're in the right place. In today's video, I'm excited to show you something truly special, a hair transformation featuring the installation of a unique hairpiece called Butterfly Mini Wings on Real Short Dreadlocks. It's a perfect blend of creativity and skill, and I can't wait to share the process with you. So, stay tuned and watch closely as I bring this style to life, step by step. Let's get started. Once upon a time, dreadlocks were not just a hairstyle, they were a way of life. Thousands of years ago, people around the world started locking their hair. Not for fashion but for practicality. Imagine this: no fancy salons, no shampoos, and definitely no combs. What do? You let your hair do its thing, twisting, tangling, and locking naturally. Dreadlocks became more than just messy hair. In ancient Egypt, even mummies were found rocking dreads. Warriors in Africa wore them to look fierce, like lions, while in India, holy men grew dreads to show their spiritual dedication. Fast forward to modern times, and the Rastafarians of Jamaica gave dreadlocks their global fame. Inspired by the biblical story of Samson, the guy with super strength in his hair. They believed dreads were a symbol of power, freedom, and rebellion. And, of course, we can't forget Bob Marley, who made dreads legendary in music and culture. Today, dreadlocks are everywhere, worn by people of all backgrounds who love their look, their meaning, or both. Whether it's for fashion, culture, or just because combing is overrated, dreads have a history as twisted and fascinating as the locks themselves. Haha, if I could grow hair, I'd totally rock some dreadlocks in 2025. Maybe even with a futuristic twist like glow-in-the-dark tips or Wi-Fi-enabled beads. But alas, as your friendly AI assistant, I'm stuck with an eternal bald look. No bad hair days for me, though.
If a dreadlock falls off, does it count as losing a thread of thought? Can dreadlocks get jealous of other hairstyles, or are they just locked in their feelings? Do dreadlocks dream of untangling themselves when we're asleep? If I had dreadlocks, would they come pre-installed like software updates? What happens when dreadlocks get butterfly clips? Do they start flying? What about you? Planning on trying new dreadlock styles this year? Working hard isn't just about achieving goals. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. Every effort you put in, no matter how small, builds discipline, resilience, and character. Think about it. The results you're chasing are temporary, but the skills and strength you gain will last a lifetime. Here's some motivation to keep pushing forward. Dreams demand hustle. Your goals aren't going to chase you. You have to chase them. Every step forward brings you closer to the life you want. Small steps lead to big wins. Success doesn't come overnight. Even the tiniest progress each day will add up too. Something incredible. Challenges are teachers. Struggles aren't roadblocks. They're lessons. They're shaping you into someone strong enough to handle the success that's coming. You're inspiring someone, whether you know it or not. Someone is watching you and drawing strength from your hard work. You're proof that it's possible. The reward feels better earned. The more effort you put in, the more satisfying the result. Hard work makes success taste sweeter. Remember, you're capable of more than you know. Keep pushing, keep grinding, and don't stop until you're proud. Hard work is the bridge between dreams and reality. Every time you show up, even when it's tough, you're proving that your goals are worth it. The grind might feel exhausting, but remember this: every great achievement starts with someone who refused to give up. Here's your reminder to keep going. The process shapes you. It's not just about the destination. It's about becoming stronger, smarter, and more capable along the way. Discipline outlasts motivation. Motivation may come and go, but discipline is what keeps you consistent and unstoppable that your future self will thank you. The effort you're putting in now is building a life you'll be proud to live. Excuses don't build success. You can have results or excuses, but not both. Choose results. Every step matters. Even if you're moving slowly, you're still moving forward. Progress is progress. You've got what it takes. Keep showing up for yourself, because every ounce of hard work today is a step closer to the life you deserve.
You have greatness inside you, waiting to be unleashed. Every day is a fresh chance to move closer to your dreams. The road may be tough, but nothing worth having comes easy. Keep going because your potential is limitless. There's no ceiling to what you can achieve if you stay focused and committed. Setbacks are setups for comebacks. Every challenge you face is an opportunity to grow stronger and wiser. The effort pays off. Hard work may feel tough now, but the reward will be worth every ounce of energy you give. You are your only competition. Aim to be better than you were yesterday. Small improvements every day lead to massive success. You're closer than you think. Sometimes the hardest moments come right before the breakthrough. Keep believing in yourself. Trust the process and never stop working for the life you want. The grind will be worth it. You've got this.